I have a serious obsession right now, and that, my friends, are jumpers. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you just tuning in, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. I have something awesome to talk about today. If you like comfortable clothes like I do and you still want to look stylish, today is seriously going to be the best video that you have seen in a super long time. Before I get started on the video, if you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments. It's really fun for me, especially when I post the video and they all start like popping up on my phone. I love it. Moving on, jumpers are super trendy right now. They're trendy straight across the board for spring style, summer style. However, there is a company that I am obsessed with right now. They are called Smash Test. I've had my first jumper from them, I believe, for 2 years. I'm not gonna lie, I literally sleep in it. And then I'll get out of bed, I'll throw on a jean jacket and I'll drive my kids to the bus stop in it. I'll go get groceries. And sometimes I'll like dress it up with like a long kimono and wear the same jumper to a meeting with a client. And I literally haven't changed since I got out of bed. Now I've just told you my secret. But I was looking at my jumpers that I pulled for a photo shoot and I wanted to show you guys how you can style them in different ways other than just a jean jacket and runners. I'm gonna show you that way too, but Smash Test has a bunch of new styles, a bunch of new colors that I'm totally loving, and these things are amazing, but they don't just have to be for around your house. So today I'm gonna show you 3 of my different Smash Test jumpers and 3 different ways you can style them, just to give you ideas. So let's get started. So my first jumper to show you is this little black ruffle jumper. Okay, let's talk about the parts that I love. Ruffles, making me feel a little feminine. Pockets, because I actually just throw my cell phone in the pocket. And then it's super stretchy and it's cotton. And it tapers down towards the ankle. So I don't look like I'm just wearing like a big sack. I was just in LA styling and working with clients for the daytime Emmys, and at the hotel, around the hotel, and then going to pull, I actually wore this exact jumper. I've styled it with a pair of ankle sandals. These ones are from Anine Bing. They don't have these exact ones anymore, but I'll try to find some that are similar for you guys. And I'm just gonna grab my kimono from Free People. So I wanna show you with this particular black jumper, this is actually how I wore it in LA when I was working. So for look number 1, I added black ankle straps to my black Smash Test jumper, and I added this Free People long duster kimono. It is so cute. This is literally how I rolled around, and actually all I did was put my cell phone in one pocket and my cards that I needed in the other, and I just like motored. Whether you're going out for dinner with friends, you're hitting a patio, or you're out driving your kids around, why not be comfortable? And the kimono gives it style. And the shoes. Like, please, you can throw on flip-flops with your jumper. You can do whatever you want. I'm just like a flip-flop hater. I prefer putting on some sort of sandal that looks like you dressed with intention. If you're gonna actually wear it out, put on some shoes that looks like you had some thought put into it. So here's look number 1 with my black Smash Test romper. Okay, you guys, so this is my look number 2 with a different Smash Test jumper. This is called the Saturday jumper. It's a tank style. It's got 2 cute little pockets right here. I wanted to show you that you can actually dress up these jumpers. A lot of the times on social media, I'm seeing them just with runners, jean jackets, flip-flops. No, they can go way further. In fact, I'm seriously obsessed with this look. I have something to go to tomorrow night. I think I'm gonna wear this. This kimono is from Free People. It's brand new, so you'll still be able to get it. I threw this on and strappy nude sandals to give it an elevated but casual dressed up look. The way that I've kept it casual is this kimono, like the texture is linen. It's not super long, it's about mid-thigh, and then I've dressed it up with the nude sandals. However, here's the key. The nude strappy sandals have a thick heel, and the straps that go around my ankle are thick. So that keeps them casual. I would not suggest putting on like pumps or a skinnier heel. It's just like, you're gonna find the balance will be off. These are casual high-heeled shoes, and this kimono is casual. So we've elevated and also balanced. So I've showed you guys how to dress up the last romper with like high-heeled, strappy sandals, chunky sandals. Now, if you want to be more casual, I'm going to show you how to dress this down. So this is called the Sweetheart romper in a Caitlin Rose is the color. So for this look, I took strappy sandals. And these are flat. I got these ones actually at Shopbop last year. I'll put a link to something similar if these aren't available. This would be a look that you would just wear the jumper as is, the strappy neutral sandals, just class it up a little bit. And I thought I could throw on, I have this scarf and I'll find you something similar because I know you guys are gonna ask me. But literally you could just throw it on your neck. Maybe it's Saturday, maybe you're going to the vegan market. Maybe you're going out and about to do some errands. You can throw the scarf on and you can wear the jumper. And look, I have a ballin' outfit. And let me tell you, I'm basically wearing pajamas. That's what it feels like. I'm so stoked. So anyway, I think this is super cute. Scarf, strappy nude sandals. I'm ready to go. Okay, you guys, this is jumper number 4. That's right. Wait, can we just talk about my ring for a moment? This is from Pura, and I just put it up and realized I was wearing it. I just want to show you guys this. I'm totally going on a little bit offside of a tangent, but how awesome are these earrings? I'll put a link to those down below and these bracelets. So I just want to say thank you to Pura because you have me decked out. And this ring too. Back to outfit number 4. This is probably one of my favorite looks because it's an everyday look. And I've just thrown on the gray jumper with my Golden Goose shoes. I always work with the shoes and dress them up a little. These are a higher end runner. I love them. They give a little sparkle. They add to the outfit. You throw on a jean jacket and you're ready to go. You can literally go from your bed to the bus, to the grocery store, to wherever you need to go. If you have a casual office, you could probably pull this off too. Anyway, this is my look. This is an everyday go-to and it's super easy for you guys to do. So check it out and check out the rompers. I'll leave a link down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed seeing these outfit inspirations for my smash test jumpers. Seriously, these things are thebomb.com. You're gonna love yourself for putting them on. Again, kimono, heels, flat shoes, jean jacket, runners. There's so many ways to wear them and to look super cute and to dress it up and wear it to the office. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys like this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the 4 different looks. I wanna know which jumper was your favorite, which look was your favorite. I hope you guys have a fantastic Thursday. I love you all, and Smash Test, I love you for the jumper. And Pura, I'm obsessed with this ring and these earrings. Love you guys, see you next week.